With only 4 days to go before we get to know the way forward with regards to the curfew and cessation of movement orders, Kenya continues to register new Covid-19 infection despite efforts to minimize the spread. 72 new cases have been recorded in the last 24 hours, bringing the total disease caseload to 2,093. Case distribution by county still has Nairobi family at the epicenter of the pandemic in Kenya, with 39 new cases being reported. Busia comes in next with 13 cases, Mombasa with 8, Kajiado with 4, Migori with 3, while Kiambu and Garissa have 2 cases each. Meanwhile, Kisumu has reported 1 new case.
The 39 cases in Nairobi are from Kibra, 16, Embakasi South, 8, Ruaraka, 5, Westlands, 5, Langata, 2, Embakasi West, Starehe, and Dagoretti North, 1 each. In Mombasa, the 8 cases are from Mvita, 2, Changamwe, 2, Kisauni, 2, and Likoni and Nyali, 1 each.
Slums continue to be a cause of concern, posing new challenges for the health ministry on how to minimize the infection. Other areas of concern have been border crossing, with the ministry now calling for truck drivers to be tested at their point of origin to avoid long queues that have now characterized the country's border points.
But in order to be able to streamline the movement of these trucks, it's important that this protocol is enforced and observed by truck drivers, by those logistic companies that are moving goods across. Please ensure that your drivers do not depart on their journey within the region before they have obtained a COVID-19 free certificate from their point of origin.
Despite a majority of Kenyans complying with the movement restriction as set out by the government, concerns have been raised on why members of the public are being assaulted by police, while privileged political elites still flout the rules with no consequences.
I want to say that as a Ministry of Health, we have made our statement that the containment measures apply to each and every one of us. There is no distinction.
Police watchdog IPOA now says that officers have been directly linked to the death of 15 people while enforcing the COVID-19 security directives. Despite a number of political leaders blatantly disregarding some of the measures that have been put in place to ensure the spread of coronavirus has been curtailed, the Ministry of Health, however, has distanced itself, saying that it is not their duty to ensure that these leaders face the full force of the law. Jimmy Mbogo, K24, Evening Edition.